Hey everybody, it's Sean Duhamel from the Mass Retirees Association. I have a quick and important update for all of you on this late Friday afternoon as we head into a long holiday weekend here in Boston. The House Ways and Means Committee has scheduled a special subcommittee hearing before the Social Security Subcommittee in Washington, D.C. for this coming Tuesday, April 16th at 3 p.m. on Capitol Hill on the Windfall elimination provision and the government pension offset. Now, this hearing is not on a specific bill, whether it's full repeal or the various reform legislation that's been filed. The hearing is more of a broader hearing that's going to take a deep dive and, from what we understand, more of an academic approach to the origins of weapon GPO and some of the history involved here, going all the way back to the mid-1970s when these two federal laws were created. Looking at, again, the origins, the impact they have on specific populations, as well as potential solutions to the problems. Now, in a perfect world, we would much prefer that a bill simply be marked up by the committee, brought to the House floor for a vote. Unfortunately, that is not happening, at least at this time. Congress is taking a more methodical approach. This follows on the heels of the congressional hearing that took place in November down in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, that focused on the impact of weapon GPO. And if you remember, the Louisiana hearing had 4 public retirees from the state of Louisiana who are directly impacted by WEP and or GPO. And again, that hearing focused on the human toll that these two awful federal laws are having on public retirees. This next round of the hearing process focuses more on the problem itself, trying to take a deeper dive into exactly what's going on here and what can be done about it. Now, our association is going to, of course, pay very close attention to the hearing on Tuesday. The hearing will be broadcast live on the internet. Members should now be in receipt of the email blast from our association giving you all of the details. Following Tuesday's hearing, we will be providing a full analysis as well as key takeaways and what we anticipate in terms of next steps coming in the aftermath of the hearing. That information will be shared to all of you in next Friday's weekly update. The link to view the hearing will be contained in today's email message. It's also within the description on our Facebook and on our YouTube page as well. So if you are available Tuesday afternoon, I encourage everyone to tune in, pay close attention to what's said. I anticipate that some of this is going to be a little bit dry. We don't yet know who the witnesses will be. Committee rules and protocol dictate that the committee list is not released typically until the day of the hearing. So while we have a general idea of the focus and the tone of the hearing, we don't yet know who will be testifying. However, we do anticipate that the Social Security Administration, perhaps the Social Security actuary, would be likely one of the witnesses testifying at the hearing. Now, again, you need to be invited to testify before Congress. It's our understanding that the folks who will be testifying on Tuesday are taking or will be providing more of an academic and technical analysis of weapon GPO rather than hearing from retirees or other advocacy groups such as Mass Retirees or our friends in Texas, the Texas Retired Teachers Association. So again, we'll see what we see on Tuesday. The good news here, however, is that since this is the second hearing in the past 5 months on this topic, it just shows the immense pressure that collectively all of us continue to put on Congress to act on these issues is having a positive effect. Congress can't continue to ignore the problem. They can't hope it's simply going to go away. We are certainly not going to go away, and I'm sure all of you watching this video right now, there's no way you're just going to give up and walk away from this problem. Together, we're going to find a solution, and it's our hope that it comes sooner rather than later. But the fact, again, that this hearing is taking place on Tuesday just really emboldens us to continue on with this cause and find a solution, whether it's a short-term solution or a long-term solution, something needs to give in order to bring relief to today's retirees, as well as fix this for the future generation of retirees as well. So thank you for tuning in. If you're here in Massachusetts, particularly in the Boston area, enjoy the long weekend. Monday, of course, is Marathon Monday here in Boston, otherwise known as Patriots Day. The weather is supposed to be beautiful, so get out and enjoy it. And we will be back to you again next Friday with a full analysis of Tuesday's hearing. Thank you so much, everybody. Take care.